got Harmonize. Now we got an interesting cut from Tanzania. Okay, Harmonize one of my favorite artists from the East, to be honest. But then again, this record came in Valentine, and I'm just catching it because of its recent buzz. It's definitely building a lot more buzz now, and I think it's interesting to cover it. I haven't heard it in its entirety, and I really wanted to, hence why it's here. All right, let's hear it. This is Harmonize with Single Again. I'm sorry, so soothing how those vocals came in right there, bro. Heavenly. Almost like that was heavenly. I feel like I don't know, that was pristine. Huh?
It's too early for you to fall in love.
What, is this 16? Why is it too early for him to fall in love? He's a grown-ass man. Why can't he fall in love? Oh wait, is he telling us a story of when he was a teenager or young? Because his mom is telling him that it's too early for you to fall in love, my guy. Have you guys ever had that conversation with your parents? Like, did you ever have to have that conversation where you're like, hey mom, hey dad, I think I'm falling in love with this person. And you'll be like, what do you know about love? Like, this sounds like a Nollywood plot as I'm saying it out loud. It never happened to me, by the way. I don't think I was ever that forward with my parents. I don't think I ever was. But anyway, it's interesting to hear that his mom is telling him, nah, bro, chill on that love fee, my guy. We still got school.
Mama, don't you worry. She's my glory, my one and only. I'm single.
Yeah, the build up to this. I cannot relate to that, but yeah, it's far from that. But definitely an enjoyable vibe, bro. And how the record builds up. It's nice how the progression is clear and vivid as it starts from just a pure beat, and then we're hearing the keys, and then the vocals came in, and then we got Harmonized, and then it started like telling us this story about him talking about his mom, and he's trying to confess how much he really loves this girl, and then it looks like it's fell out, and now he's going back to the call on his mom to tell his mom that, hey, you were right. I don't think I'm ready for this love thing. And interesting, compelling storytelling here from Harmonize. Still on a very, very nice vibe, essentially, like a very strong Amapiano vibe. I was just about to get into my Omlando right now, Brian, and I'm just feeling it too much.
It's so hard to say bye-bye, cause my dream was to love you till I die.
Okay.
I'm gonna be okay, mama. Maybe this love not for me.
Hey, yeah. It just hit me right now. I want to hear Fireboy on this. I want to hear Fireboy. It just hit me right now. This is such a Fireboy-esque kind of melody because it's so simple and it's so... Yeah, I'm itching for Fireboy on this right now. As I'm hearing this record now, fully blown, and seeing how he's feeling with that melody, it's a very nice pocket that we would have a nice back and forth for. But anyway, this man is going through his breakfast. It's okay. There's been a fair share of Afropop artists having their hearts broken, and it's nice. It makes for compelling, exciting music. You know, Brenna went through it on Last, on Malay, on So. It looks like Harmonize is on that wave. Yeah, more heartbreak songs. Let's get it, man. The emotions are coming out, and the relatability factor too is heavy, because a lot of people's hearts have been broken. So, yeah. Again, we pray for well-healed hearts, okay? So that nobody is getting, yeah, because I cannot imagine. Yeah, I cannot imagine. Yeah, it can be bad, guys. Breakfast can be traumatic, very. Especially if we are 16, like his story, you know. Hey.
Oh yes, I'm single. Ladies, I'm single again.
There's a part of me that like, is he also coming to say, to tell the world, I'm single now? So it means, hey guys, I'm single, I'm ready to mingle. So this is now my waving flag to the rest of the world to say I'm single. It was like, because my guy was like, ladies. He's like, you're selling yourself. He's like, you might as well be on the red light district, man. He's like, he's selling himself and be like, ladies, you know what? I'm a catch right now. I'm single. Like, bro, it just feels like, what's going on? Why are you coming out to make such a statement like that? And I'm sure many people are going to use this song. You use that that snippet of him saying, "Ladies, I'm single," and people are gonna milk that. I can see that happening on TikTok already. Like, it's definitely gonna be the tool that will drive this song to its heights, you know. But then again, it is what it is, man. Single again, relatable song still. Fireboy needs to be on this. Fireboy needs to be on this. And actually, that would be a good play for Harmonize too, because yeah, that could move the record. Fireboy has that with him, you know. Anyways, it's a fantastic song. Simple record, simple melody, kind of juvenile. I'm not gonna lie. In terms of the storyline and how, like, it's so cutesy. Like, kind of, oh, I was in love. I got breakfast. My heart got broke, and I ran back to my mommy. Yeah, it's all of that, but then again, it makes for an interesting, relatable moment, because I'm sure a lot of people relate to this to some aspects. But yeah, on the grand scheme of things, yeah, man, it is what it is. It is what it is. But how are you guys feeling about this one, man? Wow, you guys are 59%? What? 59? People don't like this song like that. I mean, guys, it's harmless. It's a harmless song. This is a 16-year-old, I'm thinking. It has to be. A 16-year-old perspective of, like, young love that just got served breakfast, you know? Like, no, guys? Ladies! No? It's not relatable on that? Okay, guys. Damn, you guys are cold in the post today, man. Anyway, that was Harmonize with Single Again. Not the first time he's single. I mean, we're all born single. Yeah, man, but he's single again.